Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Francophile. Today's topic looks small but causes big confusion. We are talking about tout, toute, toutes. They all come from same word tout, meaning all or everything. But their form changes depending on the gender and the number. Don't worry, by the end of this video, this all will make sense. Let's start with tout. We use tout as a pronoun, meaning everything. So, when tout means everything, it stays tout. For example, tout est possible. Everything is possible. Or, je comprends tout. I understand everything. Easy rule, everything is equal to tout. We also use tout as a masculine singular adjective. So, tout comes before a masculine singular noun. For example, tout le monde, everyone, tout le temps, every time, tous les jours, all day. When the noun is feminine singular, tout becomes toute. Toute la journée, the whole day. Toute la nuit, the whole night. Toute la classe, the whole class. Now let's move to tous. Now let's see how to use this as a pronoun. For example, ils sont tous ici. They all are here. Or merci à tous. Thanks to all. Remember, here we pronounce the final S. So it is tous. We also use this as an adjective. We use it with masculine plural nouns. For example, tous les enfants, all the children. Tous les jours, every day. Tous les livres, all the books. Important tip, when tout is used as a pronoun, we pronounce the last consonant, that is S. So when we are using it as a pronoun, we say tous. But when we are using it as an adjective, we say tout. Finally, toute. We use it with feminine plural nouns. Toutes les femmes, all the women. Toutes les choses, all the things. Toutes les questions, all the questions. Now let's simplify everything with one clear rule. Masculine singular, tout. Masculine plural, tout. Feminine singular, toute. Feminine plural, toute. So, before choosing the form, always ask yourself these questions. Is the noun masculine or feminine? And is it singular or plural? Now let's look at some common expressions that are used in our daily life. Tout va bien, everything is fine. Tous les jours, every day. Toute seule, all alone. Toutes les fois, every time. Now let's revise it with a mini quiz. La journée. Which one you will be using? Toute la journée. Les enfants. Correct. Tous les enfants. Et prêt. Tout est prêt. Les fleurs. Right. Toutes les fleurs. So remember, tout changes its form according to the gender and the number of the noun. Take it step by step and practice it with real examples. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Francophile and share this video with your French learning friends. À bientôt!